If you want to discover the secret to achieving top search rankings through image optimization, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs and I am thrilled to have you here for lecture 51. In today's lecture, we will delve deeper into the world of image optimization and its significant impact on your website search engine rankings. By the end of this lecture, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of what image optimization is, why it matters for SEO, and how you can leverage it to improve your website's visibility. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the complete makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. So let's get started. Image optimization involves the process of preparing and optimizing images on your website to ensure they are efficient, load quickly, and enhance user experience. It plays a crucial role in SEO by contributing to faster loading times, improved user engagement, and overall website performance. In our next lecture, we will do it practically. So, stay tuned. Let's start by exploring the crucial role that image optimization plays in enhancing your search engine rankings. First, we have faster loading times. Properly optimized images contribute to faster page loading times, which is a key factor in search engine rankings. Slow loading pages can lead to a higher bounce rate and lower search rankings. Images that load quickly and display properly enhance user experience, keeping visitors engaged and on your site for longer periods. Got it? Now, image optimization is essential for mobile users as it ensures that images are displayed correctly on various devices including smartphones and tablets. Google considers mobile friendliness when ranking websites. Next, we have reduced bounce rate. When users have a positive experience with your website, they are less likely to bounce back to the search results. This can have a positive impact on your search engine rankings. Got it? Proper image optimization includes providing descriptive alt text which not only improve accessibility for visually impaired users but also help search engines understand the content of your images. Got it? Now, let's dive into some image optimization best practices that can help boost your search engine rankings. First, we have file compression. Use image compression tools to reduce file sizes, which maintaining image quality. Smaller file sizes result in faster loading time. Choose the right image format for the type of content. JPEG is suitable for photographs while PNG is better for images with transparency. Next, rename image files with descriptive keyword-rich names to improve their relevance to your content. Next, always include meaningful alt text that accurately describes the image. Incorporate relevant keywords when appropriate. Next, consider creating an image sitemap to help search engines discover and index your images efficiently. Ensure that your website is responsive and images adapt to different screen sizes and orientations. Use images that are directly related to your content. providing additional context and enhancing the user experience. Got it? So now to assess the impact of image optimization on your search engine rankings, keep an eye on key metrics. First, monitor changes in your website's loading speed. Track improvements in user engagement metrics like bounce rates and time on page. Observe any changes in your website's search engine rankings over time. In conclusion, we can say that image optimization is a powerful tool that can significantly boost your search engine rankings when executed correctly. By following the best practices we have discussed today, you can enhance your website's performance, user experience, and overall SEO. So, stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will continue to explore advanced SEO content writing techniques. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture 51, where we have explored how image optimization can boost your rankings in the world of SEO. If you need exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.